I will unbox electric kettle, lunch box, and air cooler. Okay, let's start. Let's do unboxing. Okay, I'll unbox. Okay, guys, I will unbox first this one, electric kettle. Okay, I want to show you first the box. Model DE1733. Okay. Okay, that's it. Fast boiling. Borosilicate glass. British stick thermostat. Blue LED indicator. Auto shut off. 3 years warranty. Yan. Okay, I will show you first the box. Okay. Okay, that's it. We ordered this online. Okay. Now is it? This is my first unboxing of 2021. Ay, this this is the this is the below. See, okay, this one you see. Actually, we have electric kettle before, but spoiled already, so that's why we buy this one, the new one. This is very easy, right? If you want to hot the water. Oh, very nice. It's a glass, like a glass. You can see. I will show you. Nice. See? It's nice, you see? Very nice. Okay, we can put like this. Like this. Then this one is the charger. Like this. Like that. Okay, guys. Later I will try it. Okay, I will show all of you when I try. Okay. Okay, so because if you buy the things, we must try if okay or not. Okay, that's it. My first unboxing. And the second one is the lunch box. Okay. I'll open this one. Lunch box. I will show you first the box, guys. See, they got different color. Have green, orange, and blue. Okay, Lego lunch box. See? But we choose blue color. Wow, because it's coming back to school already, so the kids can bring this one if they want to bring, because it's January, back to school. My kiddos back to school, so they can bring this one if they want to bring. So we ordered this one. It's very nice also. Okay, I will open. Oh, nice. See? It's nice. Can put rice, and here on top can put the ulam, chicken, like that, you know, chicken nuggets like that, or soup, right? Wow, very nice. I like this one. I don't know how to put back already. Okay. See? Or if we go out, we want to bring food, right? Like this. Okay, like that. As long as I unbox already that one. Okay. The next one is the air cooler. Okay, a portable air cooler. It's a very small, can bring out, or can put in the room, can put in the living room, or can put in the. It's better to put in the inside the room. See, air cooler. Input 5V-1A execution standard. Ayan. USB. And you see the box? I want to show you the box. Can put also in the table, right? We can put in the computer table. Can put also so that you will not feel hot. If very long we sit on the table. Can put on the table, in the study table or computer table. So that's it. Then okay, that's it, my unboxing. Then later I will try. Okay, electric kettle, lunchbox, and air cooler. Okay, I will try it later. See, I really like the electric kettle. I really like the electric kettle. It's a glass, this one, the glass. It's a glass. Give me a thumbs up if you like. And okay, later I will try the electric kettle. Ayan guys, I try my new kettle, electric kettle. And I try first a little bit the water. Like that. I like the blue color. And guys, it's boiling. Ayan. Ayan. My review for this one is good. Very good. Ayan siya. Good. So my review, this one is good. Electric kettle. See, it's boiling. It's a glass electric kettle. I like it. See, have the light, the blue light. It boiled already, then the light will off. That's it. Okay. Guys, the air cooler I'll try also. Ayan. I'll try. Oh, very cool. Good. Ayan. It's good. I will put here on my table. Because it's handy. Ayan. So everything now that I unbox is good. Thumbs up. Good. I like the air cooler and electric kettle. Ayan, ayan. You can see the light. Ayan. The wind is cool. Just give me a thumbs up. Ayan, the air cooler. See, you can hear the sound.